Welcome back to Just the Chords. Remember to hit subscribe, and if you do in fact like this video, give it a like. Today we'll be looking at Say Don't Go by Taylor Swift from 1989, Taylor's version. This song only has 4 chords. We'll look at those chords individually, and then we'll look at the 2 patterns that we use in this song with those chords, and then we'll play through the whole song. Let's get going. The first chord we're going to start on is E major. E, G sharp, B. It's our E major chord. First one we'll encounter in the song, E, G sharp, B. Second chord of the song, C sharp minor. Starting on a C sharp, E natural, right there in the middle, G sharp. That's our C sharp minor chord. C sharp, E, G sharp. Lovely and dark. We'll then go to an A major chord, A, C sharp, E. A major, A, C sharp, E. And that's all we'll need for the first pattern. When we get to the second pattern, we'll add one more chord, a B major. So starting on B, then give me a D sharp, F sharp, B major. Loving it. B, D sharp, F sharp, for use in the second pattern. Review those chords if you need, and now let's get to those patterns. First pattern, for the verse, the intro, some of the outro, this has the 3 chords. We'll start on E major, E, G sharp, B. We'll then go to C sharp minor, C sharp, E, G, down to that A, C sharp, E. It repeats, E, 1, 2, 3, 2 measures each, 3, 4, of C sharp minor, bend to A, 3, 4, 2 measures each. Second pattern, for the pre-chorus and the chorus, we start on A, C sharp, E. This chord is usually a continuation out of the verse. Start on A, then we go to E major, E, G sharp, B. But we could spell that different, coming from that E major, or coming from that, A major, that was A, C sharp, E. We could go to the next closest notes. The E major could be, get the G sharp here, the B here, the E here. Really close, G sharp, B, E, spelling it differently. So going from A, C sharp, E, root position, to E, with the G sharp down there. And now we're gonna add that B chord. B, D sharp, F, for 2 measures. Second pattern goes A, 2, 3, 4, E, 2, 3, 4, B, 2, 3, 4. 2 measures of B, and then it repeats. Review any of that if you need to. We're gonna go on to the full song. All right, we're gonna start on E major, remember? E, G sharp, B. In my left hand, I'm gonna play the roots, meaning just the chord's name. So if it's an E, I'll play E's. If it's a C sharp, I'll play C sharps. A's, I'll play A's. B's, I'll play B's. You get it? My left hand's just for those roots, we call them. Fun, fast trick to get a song out quick. Ready? E major. And think about what chord we're going to. No intro, starts right on the verse. 1, 2, 3, 4. Repeat on E. 2, 3. Think ahead to C sharp minor. 2, 2. Madness. Oh no. Oh no. And A. Pattern 2. To E. 2, 3. To B. 2 measures of B. Back to A. 2, 3, 4. E. 2, 3, 4. B. 2, 3, 4. B. 2, 3, 4. A, E, B, Think ahead, start on A. Pre-chorus. Wait for you to drive by. Two measures of B. About to fold unless you say. Why'd you have to leave? Why'd you have to make me love you? Two, three, four, A, E. Yeah, back to this chorus. Think ahead, it's A. Keep it rockin'. Say, but you won't get it softer. Last time, give me A, give me E, give me B. Play through any of that again. Practice makes better. See you next time. Play on.